Welcome to Series D, Video 2, on Claude Artifacts for Care Plans. This video focuses on building interactive patient checklists without writing a single line of code, designed for clinic owners, geriatric care managers, and care coordinators. Static care plans present a problem. 68% of tasks are never tracked. Paper checklists introduce 3.2 times more errors, and it takes an average of 41 minutes to build one PDF plan. Claude Artifacts solve all three, delivering interactive, shareable plans built in under 90 seconds. An artifact is a live, functional piece of output Claude generates, not just text. For care plans, interactive HTML is key, enabling checkboxes, forms, and progress bars. Artifacts run inside Claude.ai, are shareable via link, and are mobile-friendly. The 90-second care plan workflow starts with choosing a template, then prompting Claude using a 4-part formula. The artifact loads instantly, which you can customize with follow-up prompts and then share or embed. The total process takes under 90 seconds. Step 1 of 5 is choosing your care plan template type. Options include the longevity protocol checklist, dementia care daily routine, post-op recovery tracker, or a nutrition and hydration plan. Pick the one that matches the patient's primary care need. Step 2 is building the 4-part prompt formula: care plan type, patient profile, task structure, and output format. An example prompt is provided, demonstrating how to specify the plan details and desired interactive output. Step 3 is understanding what Claude generates. The artifact panel features interactive checkboxes, a progress bar, optional timestamps, collapsible section headers, and a notes field for care notes or handoff messages. Step 4 is customizing the artifact using follow-up prompts. Each prompt instantly rewrites the artifact without any code. You can add clinic branding, conditional logic, caregiver handoff features, or make the output easily printable. Step 5 covers sharing and embedding the finished checklist. Options include a shareable Claude link, embedding via iframe in a patient portal, exporting as an HTML file for offline use, or converting to a printable PDF for low-tech patients. In this live example, a longevity protocol for a 68-year-old male was requested. It generated 14 tasks in 4 seconds, with 0 lines of code written by the clinician. It takes 1 click to share the plan with the patient. This second live build focuses on a dementia daily care routine for a 79-year-old female. Claude utilized a large text mode, added timestamp buttons for multi-shift handoff, and created a red warning box for medication interaction checks. The total build time was 4 minutes and 12 seconds with 2 modifications. Claude artifacts offer powerful, advanced features. These include conditional visibility for specific fields, a weekly summary view with a task completion heat map, and browser notifications for reminders. It also supports multi-patient versions and CSV export for data. Be aware of current limitations. Checkbox state does not persist across sessions without exporting data. Native EHR integration and complex multi-patient dashboards are currently not supported. Do not enter real HIPAA patient identifiers into the Claude.ai prompt. To recap the complete 90-second checklist builder workflow: 1. Choose a template type. 2. Build the 4-part prompt. 3. Read the artifact panel. 4. Customize with follow-ups. 5. Share or embed. Download the ready-to-paste prompt templates in the description. That's the full workflow, capable of building a live checklist in 90 seconds. To continue learning, you can download the 5 care plan prompt templates, watch the next video on Gamma AI for seminar slides, or subscribe to the weekly Longevity OS Workflow Digest.